Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Alexander Stewart, not a newcomer here to this channel. We have Broken by You. So this is a 4-chord song. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario, so let's dive into this one with the capo on the 1st fret. So with that said, we're gonna do the C, G, A minor, and F, alright? So C first, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The A minor, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the F. You end here with the bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret with the index finger and you bar all strings there. You need to add then 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so there you have the order of the chords. C, G, A minor, and F. Alright, so we have now just the string pattern left. So if you go back to the C chord, one string around will be down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, up, down, up. You're gonna play this string pattern a bit faster, and you're gonna do that 2 times per chord. So and that's what you do from the beginning till the very end. Perhaps a bit faster. I'm not sure there about the tempo really right now, but you will practice your way up and listen to the song and match up there. So that's how I handle Alexander Stewart's Broken by You. Hope that helps and hope you support me here on Growing Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.